Marcalado and Savage alongside Vienes as we are now in the Battle for Bronze Series. Lois Agamban is denied as asked by Coach Sydney. Haleko, hole in the middle.
You saw the huge opening there in the defense of Savage. Naantay nila yung mga malalakas na palo ng Vienes, but good variation there from Haleko.
Just using his smarts, you can see. That one is in. Nice pass. Reverse set, and it's Haleko scoring off the block. Vienes will get set number 1 in the battle for bronze.
Good game here for Vienes Griffins. Kahit na nauna, good start ng Savage at humabol tong Vienes. Sila pa nakalamang nung latter part of the first set and ganda na ng momentum nila. Hindi na nila pinakawalan yon and got this first set.
There's that last play by Brian Haleko. Maximum.